Hey y'all, welcome to Freedom Makers. I'm Amanda and today I'm going to share with you a hack for your dehydrator trays. As you notice on my tray here, the holes are smaller and they get larger the further out you go. I want to dehydrate some English peas for our pantry, but I cannot do that in these trays without them falling through the holes. That's a big problem. The dehydrator I use is no longer in production and it seems to be very hard to find the mats that go with these. Instead, I'm going to make my own today and I'm going to show you guys how. The first item you're going to need is plastic canvas. This plastic canvas, you can find this at the dollar store, Walmart, a lot of places carry this. It's just a mesh and it's plastic. You're going to take your tray, you're going to take your plastic, and you're going to trace around the edge. I cannot give you dimensions for yours because I don't know what kind of dehydrator you have. You will just have to pencil this yourself, cut it out, cut your hole for the middle, and place this on your tray. For my tray, I ended up with a shape like this. I'll just lay this down. I also did a little cutout for the side here. My peas are not going to fall through. This method is not completely foolproof. If you cut it too shy, as I did with a few of mine, it will have some space there. I'm just going to be careful when I put these on here. But the majority of my peas will stay on the tray and will not go through the holes like they would have otherwise. So the next time you want to dehydrate something small and don't have a mat for your dehydrator, I hope you take this into account. A lot of people probably have this like we did in our craft box, and this has sat in there forever and we never used it. I'm sure we had good intentions when we first purchased it, but this was just something that we had in our home, and so we repurposed it, and now it has a beautiful function and will help me put up a lot more food for our family. I'm sure likewise you have things in your home that you need a solution for. I would encourage you just to think about what you have and use it anyway. Just change the function of something, and there are so many things you can do with that. It's one of the things that makes America great. We have a problem and we think of a solution and we have the follow through to bring that to fruition. So I hope this encourages you to come up with some solutions in your home if you have something that needs to happen. And I hope this also encourages you to put up a lot more food. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. I appreciate each of you, and I'll catch you in the next video.